Oh, that cardboard went right up my bum. Hello. Hello, welcome to Driven It Tinker Time. The world has not fallen over, but his lordship behind me is on a jack. And I'll tell you why after this. Now, the last little repair we did to Barry was replace his front discs, because as from the upload, it went a bit wonky woo. Now, I spoke to a friend of mine and I said, I think I know why. I think it was that backing plate was not put on properly and that's what caused it. He went, yes, that will be the problem. So, hands up, I got that wrong. I buggered that up. However, this I have not buggered up. And I went away for the weekend with some friends, had a lovely time. We were up dancing until 1:30 in the morning. We were rather drunk. Get a cam fan. Have an alcoholic problem. Anyway, so yeah, and everything was going well. And it was only until the music I was listening to, banging some tunes, about 3 degrees, and then the song finished, to then go into the next one. And as the song had finished to go into the next one, I had gone round a right-hand corner. And as I'd gone down the right-hand corner, I heard, and I went, bollocks, what's that? Backing plate. I went, it's the backing plate. It's the front backing plate. Ran down the window, because I could hear it that loud with the windows up. Turned the music off, wound the window down, shot round another right-hand corner. And I went, that's not the front wheels. That's the back. Now, the back is a bit of more of a pain in the arse, if I'm honest with you, because if it is the backing plate, they're a ball ache to get off, because VW, they literally lie and set you with insecurities. So, that insecurity that VW set you up on, because you see the castle nut and you go, oh, it's got a split pin through it. It won't be that tight, or it'll be reasonably tight, but you know, it won't be that tight because they've got a split pin to stop it coming undone. I can tell you now, it's 250 Newton meters, and that's quite a lot. Now, Haynes manual, I know I always said about the Bentley manual, but you know what, this is the one I've got in the garage, and it says here, the axle wheel shaft unit has to be tightened to 250 pound-foot of torque. This needs to be a proper socket and an extension. On the handle, it should not be necessary to use, it should not be necessary to use a torque wrench, because it will be simply a question of realigning the split pin holes with the castellations as before. The actual movement of the nut to increase the torque from, say, 150 to 250 pound-foot of torque is very little indeed. Always refit a new split pin and spread the split ends correctly. I'm hoping we haven't got to take this off, and I tell you why I'm hoping we haven't got to take it off, because I have the Douglas Special to my right broken, and yeah, and I'm like, for fuck's sake. And I've got Toby now out of the garage, because I can't do anything on Toby because I've got no space in the garage because, Anyway, so I'm going to have a look, and I'm hoping it is the backing plate has slightly moved, because I've just rotated the wheel and it seems all right, and there's not play. So it looks like it won't be a wheel bearing. Now I can tell you now, wheel bearings on these don't really give you any problems. So I was quite happy with that. And the tyres are wearing, well, they've got no excessive wear, so I'm not worried. Anyway, let's have a little fiddle. So, no, that was the way we're rolling. See, nothing. Nothing. And there's no play. There's a little bit, you should always have a little bit of play, but that, there, so if I'm going that way, so it's at the bottom, because what happens is, as you go around the right-hand corner, the wheel, because of weight and all that stuff, just brings it in slightly, and it was just, but I can't really feel anything. Now, I'm just going to go underneath Barry, just to have a quick look-see, and if I do see something, I'll bring you with. Right, Barry, come here, right back. Bear with me a moment. Yeah, that's not good, and I think that's, hang on, if it's that way, so it's at the bottom. Oh yeah, that is a bit, it's a bit bollocks. It is bollocks, I do need to replace this. Now let me show you this castle nut. There's castle nut, there's your split pin, and you sort of look at that and go, yeah, it can't be too tight. Yeah, they bloody are. But as you can see, the backing plate for this is not great. It's always been one of those things, I will replace, but yeah, until it actually needs doing, I'm not going to do it. However, it's at the bottom, and oh yeah, you can see, I think it just needs a little tapping. Hang on, there we go. If you look, You can just, you probably might be able to see it, hang on there. That is rather close, rather close. And I think that is, and if you look, well, there's nothing shiny. There's nothing shiny. Oh, there's a bit there. Hang on, where's that? But it looks like, I don't think that's clean metal. But yeah, that is, yeah, see, because it's rotates, there's nothing untoward in that, and I don't really want to take the drum off to have a look inside, because I've got the handbrake set up so nice. I don't want to fuck around. Oh, you've got bits of tree underneath you. Yeah, oh yeah, and there's a bit of build-up of shit there, so I think that's my problem. This backing plate here is just a little too tight, and I bet you if I ever so prise that back a bit, it will all be fixed. Well, I've had a little look. I've prised back the backing plate. It's really not the best backing plate, and it does need replacing at some point. While it's still holding up, I'll leave it. Because I've got too many other bloody things on at the moment. Oh my Christ, you're going rusty here. Fuck, you really are, mate. Oh, we've got to sort that out. I don't like the look of that. And you've got, no, you're right there. You've got stone chips all around here. And you've got a bit of shit going there. This is a rot spot just here. I don't know if you can see that bit there. It's a known rot spot. Oh, look, you've got fucking shit going up in here and all, mate. Always something. Anyway, yeah, we're, I think I did have a plate welded in there. I think, I can't remember. But anyway, back to this. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that though. There's nothing untoward that's caused me a problem. I'm just going to pull the handbrake up a bit, just to have a look or feel, because the handbrake on this is bloody good. That's why I don't want to undo it. Oh, now I can't fucking move it. Hang on. Right, that's just a few clicks. See, it would be if I hear anything untoward or horrible and scrapey. No, I'm happy with that. I think that was the backing plate. The backing plates are just old. It did sound like a backing plate as we went around the corner centre. You heard, and then you go in a straight line and turn left. Doesn't do it. It's just when you turn right, so the load comes here, so it's somewhere at the bottom. Well, it could be somewhere at the top, but yeah, there is a rusty ring. You see it, and it doesn't really look much to worry about, but you can see that rusty ring there. So it could well have been something that's causing that. I mean, there is sort of that bit there that just looks a bit cleaner than everything else, and it could have been, yeah, it could have been that bit there. Just ever so briefly touching. It can only take sometimes very, very little amounts. But if you think that's going that whole circle, so if I put my finger here and go, because it wasn't, it was a, so it shows that there's just one part hitting it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Fuck it, let's put you all back on and put you back in the garage. That wasn't really climatic, was it really? We sort of went, it's just the backing plate that's causing some noises, which I'm quite happy with. I'm quite happy that there's no other dramas with this, because it's bad enough having him broken, and yeah, it does bugger things up, because I was hoping to start chopping off the seal off Toby, but I can't at the moment because now I've got a garage, so he's got in the garage, that's in the garage, so although I could cut the seal off, couldn't we? I might do that while it's out here. Well, it's a nice dry day. Yeah, just see what happens really. Anyway, mind you go, take care. See you soon.